Did you know that most people who start Amazon KDP quit in their very first month? The reason isn't the difficulty of the field, but drowning in costly tools and complex subscriptions that drain your capital before you even begin. Building a true, sustainable passive income doesn't require this chaos. In the world of digital commerce, volume is not intelligence. The real secret lies in two words: high efficiency and strict methodology. This is where the MSJ Future Technology ecosystem comes in. We designed a single, all-in-one, sovereign application that handles the entire process from A to Z. With a single click, the app takes over the creation, engineering, and formatting of digital and print books, matching the highest international standards, completely error-free, and with the lowest possible operational cost. Content creation and print on demand is an investment in digital assets that keep generating revenue for you in the long run. We are no longer talking about random attempts, but about building a real, successful brand in the global market, thanks to smart software engineering that cuts months of manual work into minutes. The time for smart investment and taking control of your project starts now. Turn your vision into a tangible reality and master your financial future. Contact the MSJ team directly via WhatsApp and take your first step toward professionalism.